What if being smart made you stupid? That's not a riddle. It's a real trap, and it has a name. You and your partner just robbed a bank. Cops grab you both, throw you in separate rooms. No way to talk, no way to signal. Then, they offer a deal. Betray while they stay silent? You walk free, they get 10 years. Both stay silent? 1 year each. Both betray? 5 years each. Here's the trap. If they stay silent, betraying saves you a year. If they betray, betraying saves you 5 years. Betraying wins no matter what. Your partner runs the same logic. You both betray, you both get 5 years. The gut punch? If you'd both stayed silent, 1 year each, being rational made you both 4 times worse off. This is the prisoner's dilemma, invented at the Rand Corporation in 1950. It revealed something uncomfortable. Pure self-interest destroys everyone's outcome, including your own. This isn't just a thought experiment. Countries in arms races both want to stop, neither goes first. Companies slashing prices, both bleeding. The dilemma is everywhere. But here's what nobody tells you. Scientists ran this game thousands of times with the same players. Cooperation emerged. Betray today, get betrayed tomorrow. Players figured it out. The winning strategy? Ridiculously simple. Cooperate first. If betrayed, betray back. If they cooperate, forgive instantly. Nice. Provokable, forgiving. The prisoner's dilemma taught us something unexpected. Trust isn't weakness. Over time, it's the most ruthlessly effective strategy that exists.